Okay, this is A391 road improvement. We're currently building about 1.6 kilometres of new road and 2 new footbridges and footways and bridleways that link it all together. We're currently about halfway through the construction and we're due to finish on the 30th of June next year. The background to the project really, it goes back a long way, and really the whole purpose of it is to improve road links into St Austell to encourage business growth. Off the back of this project there's various other stuff going on, not directly related to our works, but we've got EcoBoss doing some housing developments in the area. There's also a technology park that joins this site, and that really links into this project. It's part of the Cornwall Council strategy really to sort of develop the infrastructure, build jobs and create new homes. So our part in it's quite an important part. It's really the first stepping stone. On your left there you've got the Great Treverman Sky Tip. That's a local landmark and we're having to safeguard that as we do the construction process. So while we were doing the blasting to create the cutting we're now driving through, we had to put vibration monitoring out to ensure that we didn't cause any subsidence on the slopes. And to date everything seems to be okay with that one. This whole site sits on land formerly used by the China clay industry. So it's largely a brownfield site, which means that, you know, in terms of sustainability and environmentalism, we're doing pretty high on those stakes with this job. We just arrived in the area of one of the footbridges. This is the Carludden Bridge. So we'll just nip out and have a look at the works up there. Here is the Carludden Bridge. Effectively it's going to be a concrete arch. It's a wasted arch, so it sort of narrows as it gets towards the centre. Once the arch is done, we're going to build up the soil on top of it and plant it with trees. So it'll be effectively a green bridge. In terms of approaching it, it'll look like a tunnel effect going through it, and it'll have trees growing on both sides and up over the top. It's a footbridge, but it's also for use as a bridleway. So it will take up to and including equestrian users. It's all part of the whole improvement of the non-pedestrian routes from Penwithwick and the area of the proposed technology park down through the site. This crosses the road line here, of course, and it will link in at the bottom with the clay trails, which can take you to the Eden project and out across the China clay area.